It's your girl, Lee, and I'm back with another video. And I know it has been long time, right? So, but we're back, and we're gonna try to do better, right? Try to do better. And plus, I'm gonna catch you up along the way in this video. But first, I'm coming back and decided that my comeback video would be unboxing. So I got a bag from Glamaholics. There's been a couple of videos on YouTube, and a shout out to my cousins Aaliyah and Naomi, because they've been down with Glamaholics from the jump. I'm late to the party. I'm late. They've been down, so they have been avid supporters of Glamaholic products, and I'm jumping on the bag. And like I said, I did in prior video, I did say I wanted to, support, black owned businesses, in which this is. So we're gonna get started, and then I'll catch you up with Lady Lee's life. So I'm gonna do the unboxing here. I won't show any of the package details because my information is on here. So it comes wrapped up like this. This is some pretty nice wrapping. So we got a little envelope here. Oh, this light in this color. So yeah, we got an envelope here. And it looks like this is like a return, maybe a return package slip. It said a package slip. Is this for the return, or that's what they use? And then there is a Glamaholic card in here. And on the back it says the luxury products, www.glamaholiclifestyle.com. That's where you can go and get your merchandise. The luxury extensions, www.samegirldifferenthair.com. And then it talks about their social media handles. So, this lighting sucks. There we go. So that's what's on the back of the card. And I believe that's it for this little folder. It says, thank you for your purchase. Welcome to the Glamaholic Lifestyle. www.glamaholiclifestyle.com. So welcome. I am here. So it comes in this nice package. The shipping, I would say it was quick from when they shipped it out, but I got caught up by ordering around the holidays. So of course, people shut down. It's the 4th of July holidays, stuff shut down. People were spending time with their family. I know me personally, I took off. But yeah, so it didn't ship quite it was quick enough because I think they did ship it that Tuesday after what was 4th was Tuesday. So they shipped it like that Wednesday, and I ended up getting it Thursday. So I guess you could say that was pretty quick if they shipped it Wednesday and I got it that Thursday. So yeah, that's not bad. So comes in this Glamaholic drawstring, Glamaholic Lifestyle drawstring bag. This is a nice quality dust bag, by the way. And it's packaged very finely. There's just some cardboard in here. But this is how it's packaged up. So very nice and neat, and friendly. Nice and neat packaging. So what I end up getting is the Glamaholic pink medium bucket bag. So I don't know. I guess I'm trying to start to move away. And I got the handles in here, so I'll put this together while I talk. But I think I want to start moving away from having so many big bags. Because there's just times in life that you want to feel free and light. And sometimes being a bag lady slows you down. So with the bucket bag, this is how it looks. Let me give you a glimpse. It has the signature G's for Glamaholics. It comes with this strap and drawstring, and it comes with a second strap. Which counts as the crossbody strap option. So we're going to put that on. So it just depends on what mood you're in that day. You can carry it like a crossbody, or you can just do it handheld. Or you can start your day out. Maybe you start out your day, it is handheld. And then you switch to crossbody as it later in the day. But this is the bottom of the bag. No feet, smooth. In the inside, that's the inside. So a big open blob of space, a hole, pink hole. So it does have an inside zipper pocket. And then it's like a little slot here that like a phone or some receipts or small other PDAs, earbuds can fit there. So this is actually smaller than I thought. Maybe, I don't know. But I said I'll just go with the medium. Yeah, so I try it out. Maybe I might get another one, who knows. But I'm gonna check this out. As I said, I'm not trying to buy big, bulky bags. And these bags are decent price. I believe they start, I think it's like $80, $60. I think, I can't remember. But they're good prices. Or maybe was this the $80 one and the next one was $100? I can't remember, but I like it. Looking forward to carrying it. Probably on a non-work day, because I have too much to bring when I go to work. Like tomorrow I go back in the office. I've been off for a week and I have to bring my laptop. So usually, and my lunch. So usually I'm trying to do like a big tote bag so I can just get all that into one play and do that. But maybe I'll carry this at the sorority events that I plan to attend. Our summer leadership conference in town, I did not register. I gotta work, and honestly, for the money's worth, I would not be able to partake in the convention like I really truly would want to. So, and I just came off a vacation. I got a dentist appointment, got orientation. So I got quite a bit to do. So I wouldn't be able to enjoy the leadership seminar in the capacity. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna go to the social stuff and check things out and see how it does what it do. And I gotta get ready to take these braids out because I haven't had them about 6 weeks. And we all know knotless braids are not meant to be up forever. So gotta get ready to try to take these out and figure out what my next hair move is, because I got a fashion show I'm supposed to be going to, and a wedding and whatever blows my way. So yeah, enough about that. So Lisa, where the hell you been? You ain't been doing no videos. So story time. Life been lifing. Life was lifing. I think my last like long video might have been what, April? But May and June was kind of like a hot ass mess almost. I found myself, life was lifing. And you know how you sign up for things and it all sounds good, and you know, you're not thinking like what is everything that has to take place. So it was just like May was just like rough. Wrapping up the semester, had to certify degrees. Wrapping up track season, because that's when we get down to the nitty gritty. So doing stuff for track, doing stuff for my job, had deadlines. Outside of track, you know, things are going on. Like, my friend was in town. She turned 40. She had a party here. So took her in, house guests. Was getting ready. Like I said, wrapping up track. Also learned that my dear sorority sister had passed away. And I ended up having a meltdown with everything that was going on. So like work was stressful. Trying to fit in this track stuff. And I was questioning myself, like, do I even want to do this anymore? I don't feel like it. I'm tired. In addition to, you know, on the Greek Council, my role is treasurer. And like I said, had a house guest, sorority sister died. I end up actually having a panic attack, anxiety attack, which is not a good feeling. Wasn't my first time, but I hadn't had one in like a few years. And I was like, you know, it could be the smallest thing. Oh, another thing, fell down the steps. I didn't have to go to the hospital, but I had to. I was sore for a couple of days. I had missed 3 steps coming out, missed the last 3 or 4 steps, and boom, fell. So all this happened between the months of May and I would say about mid-June. And I was like burnt the hell out, over it, done. It was rough. It was kind of rough, and it's not a good feeling to feel overwhelmed. And I been praying and asking, God to clear my schedule. And I think things have happened and it's been freeing up, but that's my Google Meets going off. Now, is it gonna stop? Do I have to stop it? Maybe I need to stop it. Let me stop it. Give me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. It ended up stopping by the time I got back there, but I was just like overwhelmed, really overwhelmed. And I'm like, I'm supposed to be having fun. It's summer now. We got out. The semester is over. But I was just stressed to be down, right? It was just not a good feeling. So I just been praying that, I don't feel overwhelmed and I stopped committing to things. And yeah, that's where I'm at. And yeah, it was rough. It was rough. But I'm hopeful for July. I took off a week, had a week off. So I was off I walked out of work June 30th. That was my last day. So I was off from what, July 1st to what, the 10th? Yeah, I think I go back tomorrow. It's tomorrow the 11th or the 10th. I go back on the 10th. Yeah, I go back on the 10th. So I go back. Hopefully, like, I'm focused, I'm refreshed, restored, and ready to go. But I did realize that I do need to take more time off and not take time off to do, you only take time off because you got something else to go on. Even if I don't have no plans, take the time off and then just like work on doing something or creating some plans or something because, summer is short and it's really short if you're a person that works a job like year round, like the teachers, certain people in education, professors, they get enjoy the summer because they are like off. And if they work or they do anything, it's like they do it on their own terms. Whereas in my profession, we work year round and we're busy in the summer because we have orientation. Now, thank God my office, like, okay, right, put in like days off because we do want, this is the summer. We know this is when people like to take off and travel and do things. So I do appreciate my job for doing that. And like I said, I had the past week off, and I'm gonna look and see what other days, like in August, or maybe I could sneak a day or so in the month of August. So, planning to do that, but just trying to get back on track. So that's why I'm hoping that July would be that mellow out month, because this is also hiatus for like the Greek community. So there's no like sorority meetings, no council meetings, no meetings. So hopefully, we in hiatus. That frees up some time. But like I said, life was life. So I'm trying to get it together and just hope for the best moving forward as we are in the first month of the second half of the year. And I pray that your next 6 months be your best 6 months, and that you, as we say, the first 6 months is like the prelude. So now we're going to get on to the real deal, with these last 6 months. But I just hope for good times, positive vibes, and more videos. I got stuff together to do the car talks. Don't know why, but I need to do more car talks. Y'all like the car talks, right? So I'm going to do more videos. So stay tuned. Check a sister out. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.